Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Indian yogurt raita. First, gather your ingredients: plain, full-fat yogurt, fresh cucumber, and a few essential spices. Raita is a refreshing side dish, perfect for balancing the rich flavors of Indian cuisine. It's simple to prepare and adds a delightful coolness to any meal. We'll start by preparing the base. To begin, ensure your yogurt is thick and creamy. Straining it for about 30 minutes can help. Next, prepare your chosen vegetables. For a classic cucumber raita, grate a fresh cucumber and gently squeeze out any extra moisture. This step prevents your raita from becoming watery, ensuring a perfect consistency. Set these aside for mixing. Now, let's add flavor. In a small bowl, combine your yogurt with a half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder and a quarter teaspoon of black salt. You can also add a pinch of red chili powder for a subtle warmth. Freshly chopped mint or cilantro leaves are wonderful additions, bringing a vibrant aroma and taste to your raita. Finally, combine the prepared vegetables with the spiced yogurt mixture. Stir everything gently until well incorporated. For the best flavor, cover the raita and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Garnish with a few fresh cilantro leaves or a light sprinkle of cumin powder just before serving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.